Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and support this journey. Welcome to my channel. Stop scrolling right now because this story can change your life. At 16 years old, Zain felt lost inside his own thoughts. He lived in a small town where English felt like a difficult mountain. But Zain had a powerful dream in his heart. He wanted to speak English fluently and confidently. He wanted to become a speaker and inspire people through videos. He imagined himself talking clearly and helping others learn, but his reality was painful and full of struggle. Every time he tried to speak English, people laughed loudly. His classmates made fun of his broken sentences. His friends told him to stop trying again and again. Even teachers corrected him in a harsh way. Slowly, Zain started losing his confidence. His voice began shaking whenever he tried to speak. One day, he failed badly in an English test. That moment broke his heart deeply. He went home and sat alone in silence. He whispered, "Maybe I am not made for this." His eyes filled with tears. Suddenly, his mother came and sat beside him quietly. She said softly, "Big dreams need patience." Those words touched his heart deeply. That night, Zain opened his notebook again. He wrote one simple sentence, then another. His hands were shaking, but he continued. It was not perfect, but it was a start. And sometimes a small start can change everything. Chapter 2. The next morning, Zain woke up with a small spark of hope inside him. It was not confidence yet, but it was enough to begin again. He decided to take small steps and stay consistent every day. He made a simple plan for himself. Practice English for 15 minutes daily without any excuse. He started watching easy English videos online. He repeated each word slowly and carefully. His pronunciation was weak and his grammar was not correct. But he did not stop himself anymore. One day, he found a free English learning group online. It was guided by a kind mentor named Sir Bilal. Zain felt nervous to join the group. His heart was beating fast again and again. He thought people would laugh at him. He almost closed the page and walked away. But something inside pushed him to try. He joined quietly. On the first day, he could not speak properly. His sentences were broken and his voice was low. But Sir Bilal smiled and said, "Mistakes are part of learning." Those words stayed in Zain's mind. Every day, he practiced more. He spoke in short sentences. He listened carefully to others. Slowly, he started improving. His younger brother supported him daily. He encouraged him to keep going. Even one correct sentence felt like a big success. Zain was still weak, but now he was moving forward slowly and steadily. Chapter 3. Days passed, and Zain's journey became more difficult than before. Life started testing him again and again. His father lost his job, and the house became full of tension and stress. Money problems created pressure on everyone. Zain had to take a small job after school. He worked long hours and felt tired all the time. His mind was heavy and his energy was low. Some days, he could not practice English. Guilt started growing inside him slowly. One evening, he looked at himself in the mirror and felt disappointed. He said, "I am failing again." That night, he joined the online class with Sir Bilal. His voice was weak and his eyes looked tired. He said, "Sir, I want to quit." Sir Bilal listened carefully and said, "Patience creates success." Those words touched Zain deeply. That night, he opened his notebook again. He wrote about his pain, fear, and struggles. His words were simple, but they were real. The next day, he shared his story in the group. He felt scared, but he still posted it. Something amazing happened. People supported him and understood his feelings. One comment said, "You inspired me today." Zain smiled after many days. That small moment gave him new strength and hope. He realized he was not alone. And when you are not alone, you become stronger. Chapter 4. Time continued moving forward, but success was still far away from Zane. He decided to challenge himself and joined an English-speaking competition. He prepared day and night with full focus. He practiced in front of the mirror again and again. He recorded his voice and listened carefully. He corrected his mistakes slowly, but when the results came, he failed again. His name was not on the list. His heart broke deeply, and he felt empty inside. Old doubts returned quickly into his mind. He started thinking, maybe people were right about me. That night, he sat quietly and did not talk to anyone. Then his mother came and placed her hand on his shoulder. She said, "Failure is not the end, it is a lesson." Those words gave him a little courage again. The next morning, Sir Bilal sent him a message. "You are improving, just don't stop now." Zane took a deep breath and stood up again. This time, he changed his thinking. He focused on learning instead of winning. He improved his vocabulary daily. He practiced real conversations. He listened more and spoke more. Slowly, his confidence started growing again. It was not fast, but it was real. Zane was becoming stronger with every small step. Chapter 5. 1 year later, Zane was not the same person anymore. His journey had changed him into someone stronger and more confident. He still made mistakes, but now he was not afraid of them anymore. This time, he joined another English-speaking competition, but his mindset was different now. He was calm, focused, and ready. On the stage, his hands were shaking at first, but then he remembered his journey. He remembered his struggles, his failures, and his hard work. He remembered his family's support and his mentor's guidance. He took a deep breath and started speaking slowly. His sentences were simple, but they were clear and meaningful. His voice became steady, and his confidence started shining. The audience listened carefully. When the results were announced, Zane won second place. Not first, but it meant everything to him. His eyes filled with tears of happiness. His family celebrated proudly. Sir Bilal smiled and said, "This is only the beginning." Zane realized something very important that day. Winning was not the real success. Growth was the real victory. He had improved, changed, and never gave up. And that made all the difference in his life. Chapter 6. Now Zane stands stronger and more confident than ever before. He practices English every single day with full dedication. He continues learning new words and improving his skills, but now he also helps others who are beginners like him. He shares his story to inspire people around the world. He tells them, start small, but never stop. He remembers every painful moment of his journey, every failure, every fear, and every struggle. And now, he feels thankful for all those difficult times, because those struggles made him stronger. Now, this message is for you. If you feel weak, start small today. If you feel afraid, speak anyway. If people laugh at you, let them laugh. Your journey is yours alone. Your dream matters. Progress takes time, and growth needs patience. Success needs effort and strong belief. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait for confidence. Start now with whatever you have. Practice every day without stopping. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. One day, your small steps will become a big success story, and your story will inspire others. So stand up now, take your first step, and never give up.